Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Chanel. Here is hubby. You guys know what time it is. It's BoxyCharm unboxing. So let's go ahead and do this. So the theme for this month is
totally BoxyCharm.
Okay,
like, totally.
Okay, that's the theme for the box. And
you gotta invoke your inner valley girl.
I got version 3.
I have.
And he got version 2. Alright, so let's see what's in here. What you got first?
Dun dun dun.
Oh, my box is different.
By Ace Beauty.
So he picked up from the brand Ace Beauty. They're glimmer eyeshadow duos. They look like this. And why doesn't it say the retail value? Oh, it does. The retail value of these is $25. So, did we get the same shades?
Huckleberry and French Vanilla.
Yep, so we got the same shades, Huckleberry and French Vanilla. Give me your arm. Let's do this. This reminds me.
Swatching time.
This reminds me of ColourPop.
Oh, bruise. Oh, that's a burn.
Okay, no, it's not ColourPop. It's not as soft as ColourPop. Ooh, that one's pretty.
That would go good with your lips.
And this one's Huckleberry. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. Wait a minute. Do I got something left on my finger? It looks pretty nice. Okay. We're just going to put that to the side here. The next one is called French Vanilla. And it looks like this.
I don't want ice cream now.
Oh no. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Let's fix
It's all in one spot.
It's a good thing it's washing off very quickly. Okay. Alright. There we go. There we go. We're just moving to the side. Next. What's next?
From Wonder Beauty, Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil.
So there's a face oil and that retails for $42. This is a multi-tasking beauty elixir, instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. Okay.
Did you get one of those too?
I got one too.
Okay.
So let's go ahead. Oh, and there is like a little piece of... That one have one?
Yep.
It's like a safety tape type thing on here to keep it, I guess, from opening.
Oh, you're splashing yourself.
Okay. Anyways, we're gonna we're gonna go like this. Oh, it's pink, and it's glitter in there. This is a face oil. Why am I putting it on your hands?
I don't know. Oh. Dang it.
That works.
I wasn't fast enough.
All right, that's good right there. Okay, he needs. Oh, you need some oil on the other side. Oh,
wait, what? What are you doing?
There we go. Yeah, right
My
there.
eye.
It's okay. It's
My
okay.
eye.
It's just oil. It's just oil. It'll rinse out.
Alright, maybe I'm the one-eyed hubby.
Yes, you sure are. And I think I said this retails for $42.
You actually did get it my eye though.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you'll be good. Alright, what's next? Did I get one of those? Yep, I sure did.
Is it Steve Laurent?
Okay.
Alright, Steve Laurent.
So from Steve Laurent, we both got lip liners. And these retail for $15.
Shade is Uptown.
You got Uptown and I got Vogue. Let's see what the shades are. Let's see.
So Vogue looks like it has more of a
Vogue has more like a tint, like a burgundy.
Mm-hmm.
Does this like match?
Yeah, it does.
And this one is Uptown. Put that one in there. I'm taking Uptown.
So y'all get to vote.
Are you gonna do it? Should I do your face to match?
No.
Chicken.
Moving on.
Okay, what you got next?
Next from from Tarte.
Tarte?
From Tarte.
Okay.
We have Big Ego Mascara.
So we got an ultra black, vegan mascara that lifts your eyelashes and delivers full loaded fluttery. No, there's no fluttery, just flutter. For up to 16 hours. Oh, okay. It retails for $23. That's pretty. You'll see that I just threw away my It Cosmetics mascara.
Dun, dun, dun. The plot thickens.
So this is what the spoolie looks like. Now, as you know, my other mascara is already dry, so I'm not gonna be able to try this right now. So we're gonna have to wait on that. This mascara retailed for, what did I say? $23.
$23. Alright, and last in this box from Becca.
Wait, what shade is that?
Golden Bronze.
Okay, so in both boxes we got the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. This lightweight powder sets and refresh makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. And this retails for $39. And both shades are the same. So this shade is what it looks like right there. And if I'm not mistaken, there's two variations. Ooh, it's a mirror. So you can actually use the lid of this as a mirror, but we're not going to do that right now. So this is the lid. This is how it comes.
To keep me cool.
Oh, it does say that. Okay, so it comes with a little lid. And you pop it open like this. You just pop it open. Then there's a seal inside. Let's pull that open too. Whew. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we just gonna put here. You stick your finger in there. You know, just get. Ooh, there's a net in there. Okay. So it has. I don't know. Y'all can see that, but there is a net in there as products going all over the place. We just gonna close that back up. So this is what shade is this again? Golden bronze. And from the looks of it, it looks like I can probably use this as an under eye setting powder. It'll be like more of a natural setting powder for me, which is not bad, especially when I'm trying to use up all my concealers and they're really, really bright.
What's else in your box? What's the last thing in your box?
And then the last thing in my box is
from Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum.
It's a silky, weightless, and instantly absorbing. Ooh, it's kind of like this one here that instantly absorbs too. And it's a serum that helps hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm, delivering more dramatic results with continuous use.
Translucent and luminous.
And this retails for $39. What does this do?
Glassy, transparent, poreless skin.
The first ingredient is water.
Well hydrated and without inflammation and free
radicals.
And free radical damage. A revolutionary cocktail of peach extract.
Hydrates, calms, brightens, and firms your skin.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's
what it does. You pat on your skin, on dry skin, can be used AM and PM daily. So you put this on your skin dry. So let's see. So it comes with a little pump on here. So that's nice. And I like the little lid. That's, it's kind of pretty. At least you can know what it is when it's sitting in the bathroom. Alright, you guys, so that's everything in our boxes. Now, as always, if you are interested in this month's giveaway, the link will be down below in the description box.
Down there.
And I don't think my other giveaway is over yet, but I'm going to go ahead and link. Should I just pick a person? Because I can stop it anytime.
Yeah, might as well pick somebody.
Alright, you guys, so that's everything that we received in our boxes. And as always, well, not as always, but the link for this month's BoxyCharm giveaway will be down below in the description box.
Down there.
And I will go ahead and link the winner for last month's box. I'll link their name down below in the description box as well. And of course, I have already contacted that person, so I'll probably most likely just sitting here waiting for them to contact me back.
Dun, dun, dun. The plot thickens.
Should I tell them how about September?
Sure.
Alright, so you guys know that, it's summertime where everybody's going back to school. Summer's almost over, and then all of a sudden you're going to see all the crap in the stores because it's going to be holiday season really, really fast. So we have both decided and thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and save the future BoxyCharm boxes for one big giveaway for Christmas. That's not going to start until October's box. So next month, September, will be our last BoxyCharm unboxing of the giveaway, the monthly giveaway. So we will be doing one big giveaway for Christmas.
Sorry.
And it's not just gonna consider BoxyCharm products. It's also going to involve other products, even most likely a really nice palette that just came out, teamed up with Jackie Aina.
Dun, dun, dun.
Because I want that palette. Alright. That is my phone. It's time for me to go.
Hotline.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. And don't remember to embrace your beauty. And I'll talk to you again later.
Bye, y'all.
I think that's my mama.
It is.
Alright.